Hi everyone, I'm Chloe from Global Herbs, and today we're going to be talking about our product Restore. Restore is our liver tonic and detoxifier and has a lot of useful functions that can help benefit you and your horse. First of all, Restore does increase appetite and helps in digestion. It also is a great improvement of vitality and movement in your horse and can be used as a general pick-me-up as well. You will see a vast improvement in your horse's coat colour and skin condition as well. I personally feed this product with my horse all the time, all year round. I find that he's a lot healthier, a lot happier, and when he's in work he's a lot more active. Alternatively, you can choose to feed it intermittently across the year, so we tend to refer to that as a course of Restore every 3 months. I hope you found this video helpful. For any more advice, please come down to Naylors and speak to the staff. Thank you.